Hey everybody, you may have seen that alcohol is a common ingredient in some cleaners. We're going to use vodka as a surface cleaner today because it actually cleans surfaces really well where water might leave just streaks or stains. And especially in terms of just computer screens or any sort of technology, you can take just a fine spray bottle and spray just a little fine mist of vodka and not mixed with anything, and we'll take just a sort of a lint-free cloth, or a cloth that doesn't really produce a lot of lint, and just wipe, and it's going to really shine up and leave no streaks and be really smooth. So a great cleaner for TVs, computer screens, other technology, and glasses, anything glass. That's just a great, easy, natural cleaner.